You could be the most attractive person in the room, but if you smell bad, even a little, everything else stops mattering. It does not matter how great your haircut is or how stylish your outfit looks. If your breath smells off or your body odor hits someone before you say hello, you instantly go from a 10 to a 0. The worst part? Most people are way too polite to tell you. That means some guys walk around for years smelling a little funky and having no idea. In this video, I'm going to show you how to always smell amazing, no matter where you are or what you are doing. First, let us get one thing straight. Smelling good is not just about being clean, it is about how you carry yourself. When someone walks past you and catches a whiff of something fresh, it says a lot. It tells them you take care of yourself. It tells them you have standards, and it shows that you respect the people around you. So if your first thought was, I shower and use deodorant, I'm good, you are probably missing a lot of what really matters, because smelling good goes way deeper than that. Let us start with your surroundings, because even if you shower twice a day, if your space smells bad, you will too. If your clothes are sitting in a laundry basket for days or your room smells like leftover food, that odor clings. Dirty bed sheets, unwashed towels, or even a smelly couch can transfer to your clothes and skin without you noticing. The fix? Keep your space clean. Wash your sheets weekly. Wipe down surfaces. Run an empty cycle with vinegar through your washing machine once a month. Light a subtle candle or use an air purifier. Your environment should smell as clean as you do. Next, let us talk about what most guys ignore: mouth, hair, and skin care. Your breath? It is not just about brushing. You need to floss, scrape your tongue, and use an alcohol-free mouthwash. Skip that, and you are leaving behind food particles that rot and smell. Now your hair. This one is tricky. If you wash it too much with shampoo, it dries out. Not enough, and it gets greasy or musty. The solution? Co-wash. That means using conditioner instead of shampoo between washes. If you have fine hair, use something light. If you have thicker or curly hair, go heavier and shampoo just once a week. Trust me, your hair will smell better and feel healthier. And when it comes to your body, shortcuts do not cut it. You need to scrub, not just splash. Focus on areas that trap sweat and use either a high-quality dermatologist-approved body wash or a premium scented one like Molten Brown. Avoid anything that smells like a cheap candy shop, especially if you plan on wearing cologne. Speaking of hygiene upgrades, if you have not already, get yourself a bidet. It is 2025. They are cheap, easy to install, and once you use one, you will never go back. Clean body, clean confidence. Now, let us finish strong: deodorant and cologne. Your deodorant should do the job without staining your clothes. Gel formulas work best, but where most guys mess up is cologne. One good scent is all you need, not 5 random ones. Choose a scent that fits the vibe. Light and fresh for day, deeper and warmer for evening. Do not wear your heaviest fragrance to the gym. Brands like Tom Ford, Maison Margiela, Creed, and Byredo are worth the investment. They last longer, project better, and smell expensive for a reason. So if you take care of your space, your mouth, your hair, your skin, and your scent, you will be that guy, the one people remember for always smelling amazing. And here's the truth: people do notice, and once they associate you with that clean, fresh scent, you leave a lasting impression that goes way beyond looks.